Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video we'll see the board program of microprocessor 8085. Okay, these programs are similar to your lab programs, but there is some difference. So what is the difference and how to write, we'll see that with compilation. So you are having your program aim is to reverse the data or the block whatever will be given to you. Okay, so you are having your block from 2080 to 208b. That means from 0 to b total 0 c values. Okay, means total 0 c values, that is 12 values. So you have to copy this data in reverse order from 2180. Okay, so let's start. This is your lab program only. Some of you are having the series of 2000, some of you are having C000, and some of you are having D000. Okay, so in board program it may be any kind of location like 9000, 6000, 7000, कौन सा भी series होगा, you have to write down the same program just with a simple presence of mind that if you are having the given or if you are having the current memory location, so where to make change. Okay, so read your aim properly at least twice. So now in this program you are having 0 c values, that is from 0 to b. तो ये पूरे c है, that is 12. If you will count from here to here, you are having 12 values. So I moved these 12 values in c, that I have to reverse 12 values. I'll start HL pointer at this place at last. मैं last में एक pointer को मुझे last में रखना है और एक को starting में. And next LXI DE I'll have at 2180. Okay, so if I am having 2180 here, so here DE will point. Now what is the point? आपको क्या करना है, HL का जो ये content है ये उठाकर आपको यहाँ पर place करना है. So by this you are having move a comma m, that is m means HL जहाँ पे point कर रहा है that value is known as m. So this 0b ये कहाँ पर move हो रहा है, accumulator में move हो रहा है. Okay, now stacks D, wherever D is pointing you have to store the value of accumulator there. So accumulator की जो value है that is 0b at present, so I am storing 0b at 2180. So my data got transferred in reverse order. Okay, that is last value where you got as first value. Now you have to move to this HL to 208A. For this you will use DCXH and you have to move to DE to the next location, that is 2181. Okay, 2181. So for this you will use command as INXD. Now as you transferred one value, अब आपके 12 values में से एक value sort out हो गया, तो अब आपके पास कितने बचेंगे, 0b. For this you will use DCRC, that is decrement C counter by 1. Okay, now J and Z loop means what, your program will run 12 times from here to here. ये जो loop का portion है ये 12 times run होगा because आपके जो transfer हो रहा है data वो 12 data है total. As soon as you will get C here, your J and Z, that is jump if not 0, ये जो है ये activate होगा और ये program आपका stop होगा. Okay, so this program is very simple. Just write and practice for comment, and while compiling keep your input table in front of you. So this is your input table for 12 values. So you got in reverse way, that is last value is first and second last value as second. Okay, in this way similarly you got these 12 values. Now what you have to write in your exam is this, without memory location. Okay, so this is very important and you have to mention this semicolon before the comment. So just go through the location what you are getting in your exam. Like there is one program of board that you have the block length of 91012 910F and you have to transfer this data in reverse from 9 to 0 0. So if you will check the block length, ये कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है, 1 to f, that is f means 15. 15 में से आप एक वैल्यू कम करोगे, so you are having total 14 values to reverse it. Okay, और कहाँ से आपको रिवर्स वैल्यू स्टोर करना है, दैट इज गिवन, दैट इज 9200. ओके, यू मे हैव चेंज्ड ब्लॉक लेंथ. समटाइम्स यू विल हैव ओनली 4 values to reverse, sometimes you will have 7 10 8. So just cross check the block length, because block length will vary with memory location. So now here you will see आपके जो प्रीवियस प्रोग्राम थे इसमें ब्लॉक लेंथ 0e है, तो यहाँ पर 0e हो गया. आपका यहाँ पर लास्ट लोकेशन जो था, दैट इज द लास्ट वैल्यू, दैट इज 910f पे स्टोर था, और आपको कहाँ पे वो वैल्यू स्टोर करनी, दैट इज 9200. ओके, सो यही बस आपका लोकेशन और आपका एक ये काउंटर चेंज होगा. So please have presence of mind while writing your CS2 program, and before doing your program, first complete your microprocessor theory. Okay, then only you move for your S8085 microprocessor program. Okay, so please practice it, and practice it with writing. Okay, thank you class.